So not only keeping ourselves clean is important, but also it is very important to keep our surroundings clean. It is very important to keep the area where we live clean. Why? Because it contributes to our good health. To prevent the growth of disease causing germs in our surroundings, we should follow some steps which will help the surrounding to be clean. Okay? So what are the steps? First of all, you should always keep your surroundings clean. Okay, how can you keep the surroundings clean? Garbage from every home should be collected and thrown away from the residential sites. So residential sites are the sites where we live, right? So residing sites where we live, residential sites. So garbage should not be kept there. The garbage should be thrown away from the residential sites. Okay. Then all drains that carry water from houses and factories should be covered. So drains, we all know, all the dirty water, right? It drains out through the drains. So these drains should be covered. Then people should be discouraged from throwing garbage such as disposable bottles, cups, empty packets of food, etc. in public places. So we have seen that many of us, what we do, we throw all these garbage in the public places, right? So instead of doing that, dustbins should be placed in all public places and garbage should be collected in those dustbins, right? Then we should collect dry and wet garbage in different bins. Okay, so look here, two bins, right? Green and blue. So one is for dry and one is for wet. So dry should be put in the green, wet should be put in the blue. So dry and wet garbage to be disposed into different bins. Okay, then do not allow the water to collect in pots, vessels and coolers. Why? Because mosquitoes lay eggs in stagnant water. Stagnant water, water that is there for many days. Okay, so such water allows the mosquitoes to lay eggs. So to prevent that, we should not allow water to collect in pots, vessels and coolers. Then we should clean our homes regularly, especially with disinfectants. Why disinfectants? Disinfectants kill the germs. So we should clean our homes regularly with disinfectants. Okay, so by these ways we can keep our surroundings clean.